All right, guys, welcome back or to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on the Neon, as I told you in the last video. But before that, I want to talk to you guys about my subscribers, man. I appreciate you guys, and I think we're at like 307. I really do appreciate you guys coming back, liking the videos, and all of that. So, oh yeah, and this is Tay. He's gonna be helping out in the future videos. If you guys want to find his stuff, it's gonna be on TikTok at Tay_SRT4. So I'll let him introduce himself, flip the camera around here in a minute. So be right back.
So this is my brother's car, the owner of this car. I'm here with the car to help build memories, building, and just creating something. These are pretty rare cars, almost 20 years old, so it's just trying to build something out of it.
All right, guys, as Tay was saying, this is his brother's car. And before we show you what we're going to get into, we're going to go back into the past where we picked the car up and cleaned it up a little bit on the outside. So I'm going to show you guys that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, now that we're back from the little cutscene of the car being washed, we're going to get to showing you what the car looks like now on the interior and what we're going to get done. So let's get to it.
So like once the video gets playing. All right, guys, that's enough talking. Now it's time to get to work. We gotta get these seats up out of here. All right, so now it's time to pull out the driver's seat and a little hassle, but we got it out. Yeah, I think this is his tuner. I think this is his tuner. All right, time to take the passenger seat out now.
All right, guys, I'm explaining why I'm using vinegar and why you should use vinegar if you have mold buildup in your car. Vinegar is going to be, in my opinion, the best way to kill it permanently. And you can just use some cleaner to clean out the vinegar smell right after that. So this is the vinegar that just happened. This is the vinegar I'm going to be using. It's not going to be half water, half vinegar. I'm putting more vinegar than water just to make it a little bit stronger, in my opinion. So let's get to spraying these chairs down. Here we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. We got it pretty clean, to my liking, of course. So catch me in the next one. Peace.